Okay, so we're starting the Edexcel 2021 paper 1 higher, and we'll go straight into question 1. I hope that thing hides. Please go away. Yes. So you've got a question about ultrasound. So we know ultrasound is anything above 20,000 hertz. So it says, which of these is a frequency of ultrasound? Definitely not you. Definitely not you. 2,300, that is. Definitely not you. It's going to be D. 23,000 hertz, because it's got anything that's above 20,000 hertz or 20 kilohertz. Ultrasound has many uses. One device that can repel pests emits ultrasound. This keeps mice out of the garden. How can it affect mice but not humans? Well, we know that ultrasound humans can't hear, but clearly a mouse must be sensitive to it. So ultrasound is above humans' threshold of hearing. That's for 1 mark. And then we've got to say that, but it is in the mouse's range. So, but mice are sensitive to frequencies above 20,000 hertz. So that's that done. Next one, a technician has a different ultrasound device. It can emit and detect. So we've got that there. The device can also measure the time in milliseconds. Okay. Describe how they can use this device to determine the speed. So what do we know? Well, if that's a surface, and if here's our ultrasound, it's going to emit it. I'll put an E on that. It's then going to transmit through the air or whatever medium we've got, and then we're going to receive it. So the receiver will pick it up. So we know that it's 2 lots of the distance. We know that speed equals 2 lots of the distance divided by time. So this is shoot Donald Trump twice. And then we've just got to put that into words. So ultimately, it's measure this distance. Get that. Use a ruler, time it, get the time, and the speed is 2 lots of that distance divided by time. So send an ultrasound pulse to reflect off a surface, mark. Measure the distance to the surface using a ruler, mark. Speed equals 2 lots of the distance divided by the time. Now we would need to, and I don't think the question asks for it, but remember we would need to divide that by 1,000 if we wanted it in meters per second. But the question's not asking that, but that's what we'd need if it was.